And yesterday also you continuation of the class how to use the fire extinguishers. And so yesterday's class is work hazard identifications place, where the what do you call the hazardous place. That means what? Where you can get a dangerous thing, where you can get a dangerous situations. So that is about yesterday's class continuations. And the today's class is safety audit. That means we had to do the implementations in the company, or we had to do the implementation in the manufacturing unit, because the purpose of the safety audit is we have to do the proper technology on the present situations where you are working in a particular process. So that is regarding safety audit. Okay. And there is a uh, for the audit purpose, so you have to procure one audit person from outside the industry or outside the company. So that safety officer, sorry, audit officer will come to our company, and he will follow the as per ISI rules. You have a lot of company rules and regulations. Based on that rules and regulations, he will follow the audit rules. Then finally, the auditor will give you the proper report based upon whatever the situations are going to coming under the present criteria. That means in the company we have a different uh, wait a minute, it's opened. Yeah. So in the company, we have a number of processes. That means we have a number of technologies in the company. And based on the company processes, the auditor will come to the company. The auditor will come to the company. He will see the each and every from bottom to top and top to bottom, and he will give a final report. And based on the report, what we are going to follow the what do you call that? So, safety precautions. Yeah. So in that present, my presentations, it consists of the safety audit can be defined as verifying the existence and implementations of elements. అంటే present మన దగ్గర ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి, ఉన్న మనం ఏమేమి ప్రాసెస్ ఫాలో అవుతున్నాం, అది ప్లస్ ఏమైతే ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలి, ఇంకా మనకి ఆ, ఇంకా ఏమే టెక్నాలజీ కావాలి. సో ఇవన్నీ దేంట్లో వస్తాయి, మనకి ఆడిట్లో వస్తాయి. అంటే నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ సేఫ్టీ అండ్ ఆల్సో హెల్త్ సిస్టమ్, అక్కడ ఉన్న వర్కర్స్ కానీ ఎంప్లాయీస్ కానీ స్కిల్ లేబర్ కానీ నాన్ స్కిల్ లేబర్ కానీ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ కమింగ్ అండర్ audit. This presentation will give you an overview of the audit, safety audit, audit process, auditor attributes. It also discuss about the different reference standards in India related to the safety. So this is present my presentation. Yeah. What is audit? Yeah. Audit is a part of verification process. I already told you, one auditor will come to the company and he will do what the process, verification process. That means as per norms, as per ISI, as per laws and as rules and regulations, what we are going to follow that. That is the main function of the audit and auditor. And the auditor will do the inspection, and he will do also assessment. So then finally, and he will give the one final review. Yeah. What is safety audit? Okay. In the safety audit, he will verify, regarding all the what existing, we have a technologies, we have a process, and we have everything. And he will also do implementations of elements of occupational safety and health system, and for verifying the system's ability to achieve defined safety objectives. This is about safety audit. What you will do, and when the auditor will come to the company, he will see first what's our present following the safety conditions, safety implementations, and safety process and safety follows, like everything he will check, and he will suggest the go for these type of safety approach, the implementations, and like he will give regarding safety as well as health. So you will give the both the processes. Okay, yeah. There are different types of safety audit. Okay, what is the safety different types of audit? Yeah, first one, as per national standards IS 14489. So this is regarding what type of the audit? It's regarding about occupational safety, health audit, and in that health audit we have a 31 elements and 278 questions. This is the one type of the safety audit. And second one, OISD 145, and this is about guidelines on internal safety audit. And third one, international standards, that is called British 5-star audit. And regarding that, for these support standards, and you have a BAS MOX, Indian standard, OISD standards. These are all called different types of safety audit. Okay, yeah. And in the safety audit in India, స్టాచ్యురీ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ హజార్డస్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్ ఫర్, అంటే జనరల్గా మనకి ఒక కంపెనీలో ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు చేస్తారా అంటే ఎవ్రీ ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్, అంటే సంవత్సరానికి ఒకసారి, దెన్ యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ ద సేఫ్టీ ఆడిట్. ఎవరైతే ఎవరో ఈ సేఫ్టీ ఆడిట్లో ఎవరు పాల్గొంటారంటే బేసికల్లీ హూ ఆర్ working in the safety department, or maybe safety officer, or maybe safety who are doing the safety duties along with safety audit manager, and they will follow and involve into the safety audit. Yeah, see how they will approach. First they will approach the management approach and risk management, hazardous అంటే దాంట్లో ఏమొస్తాయి, hazardous, risk control, residual risk, acceptable risk, and ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్. ఏం చేయాలి, ఫస్ట్ రిస్క్ చూస్తారు, దానికి మనం ఏం చేయాలి అది ఫాలో అవుతుంది. ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ దట్ ఇన్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ సిస్టమ్ పీడీసీఏ, దాంట్లో ఫైండింగ్ క్యాప్ క్లోజర్ ఇవన్నీ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, the first safety audit officer along with his team, how he will approach in the company. First he will go to the management approach and then operational approach. Operational approach means ఎక్కడైతే మనం వర్క్ చేస్తూ ఉంటామో కంపెనీ రిగార్డింగ్ విత్ హ్యూజ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్స్, హ్యూజ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మిషనరీ పార్ట్స్ and huge number of processes, then you have a operational approach. In that operational approach, all the safety elements, that means level of planning, implementations, monitoring, so those are called, and also you can go for the legal process also. Yeah, so in the safety, in the while you are doing the safety duty, what the conditions is depending upon the safety. We have a number of the conditions. What you have suppose if coming under hardware, in the hardware you have engineering department, procuring department, maintenance department. And if it is a software, and work permit, accident and incident analysis, emergency. Software nothing but not like a software company who are like in that one also, there is a department is there in the company, that is called like database systems, like that all, it's a software. And third one, humanware nothing but what you will get, PPE, personal equipment, health and safety, risk and leadership. So these are all depending upon the safety audit. Once I am going to repeat, while you are doing the safety audit, we have 3 departments: hardware department, software department, humanware department. What will get in the hardware department, what we are going to touch in the software department, what we are going to do in a humanware department. In the hardware department, we have a engineering, procurement and maintenance. And again in the engineering, we have a technical team, non-technical team, everything you have. Why? And third one, second one, procurement department. Procurement department nothing but purchase department. They will purchase each and everything regarding our what we are going to order for the particular process or particular equipment, particular machinery, that is coming under procurement. And third one, maintenance. So this is one of the most important department in the anywhere company, then they will do maintenance, basically mechanical engineers and diploma, like so many people who are working in the maintenance, whether skilled labor or non-skilled labor or employees, whatever it may be. And humanware department, in the humanware department, what you will get the PPE, personal protection equipment, health and safety, risk management, leadership. And in the software, you have a work permit, accident and analysis, and emergency. Yeah. What you will get in the IS 14489 are the elements of occupational safety and health system. And in that one, we will get occupational health and safety policy, OS and H organizational setup, education and training, employees' participations in OS and management system, motivational promotional measurement of OS and H, safety manual rules and regulations, compliance with statutory requirement, new equipment reviews and inspections. ఇంకా చాలా ఉంటాయి నెక్స్ట్ స్లైడ్లో వన్స్ వీ విల్ డిస్కస్ విత్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. Yeah, in the safety of occupational equipment, you have a health system. In the health system, IS, that is called IS 14489. In that IS 14489, you have a occupational health and safety policy, OS and organizational setup, education and training system, employees for the participation in the OS and safety and health management, motivational and promotional, because for every weekly or monthly, we have to give a motivations to the employees for the motivations and awareness on the safety program and safety manuals. Everywhere you have to put a safety like posters or like manuals and rules and regulations. You have to display in each and everywhere who are while the employees are incoming and outgoing, the while they will see the rules and regulations, at least they will follow the while they are working. They put in that slogans, that safety slogans in their mind. They are working in the company. And compliance with the statutory requirement, what they have to do, the particularly need, then they will go for the requirement. And also if there is any new equipment review and inspections, then you have to go for the occupational safety health department in the IS 14489. And for the continuation, ముందు దాని కంటిన్యూషన్ ఇదంతా ఏం వస్తాయంటే యాక్సిడెంట్ అండ్ రిపోర్టింగ్ అనాలిసిస్, accident and reporting analysis, investments, investigations and implementations and recommendations, risk assessment including hazard identifications, safety inspections, health and safety improvements, first aid facilities, personal protection PPE, personal protection equipment, good housekeeping, missions and general area, material and handling. These are all coming under what? On the safety audit. So we have again, if you touch any topic in that one, and in that also again you have a what do you call that, subtopics, and again you have a sub concepts. There are the number of safety elements. Yeah. And for the continuation, and electrical and personal safeguards, ventilations and illuminations, noise, work environment monitoring system, prevention of occupational disease, including periodic medical examinations, safe operating procedures, work permit system, fire prevention, protection and fighting systems. Already told in the previous class, what do you call that? Fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher is a one type of fire protection equipment, and in the emergency preparations plan on site or off site. So these are all coming under safety audit system. See, here we have a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and here almost we have more than 10, and here also almost more than 9 or 10. Around, see, you have around 30 or 40 elements are there. And regarding like whatever the involvement is there in the company, whatever the involvement is there in like process, production, maintenance, engineering, procurement, whatever the hardware, software, humanware, everything will coming under the audit, safety audit. Yeah. Audit process, how the audit process will go in the particularly in the company, because there is one process will be there for the audit, because it's coming under maybe what is the procedure for the particularly this process. Okay. Yeah. Follow up, first step. Okay, you have see number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Number 1 at middle, see if you see in the green color. First one is plan. Okay, on the audit process, first you have to go for the plan. In that plan, what you are going to do, that audit plan, audit program, auditor checklist. Like already before you see that so many checklists there, that is called audit checklist. Okay, and after that, second, what we have to conduct opening meeting, auditing techniques. That means on the sampling, questioning, problem, writing of and closing it. That is called conduct. And after that, third one, a report, a review of a proposed CAPA and audit report. And fourth one is closing the finding, and you have to do the follow up. So this is the audit process: plan, conduct, report, follow up. So based on these four, and you have a audit process. Okay. Yeah. Next. Yeah. After that, what will get from the audit outcome? Yeah. In the audit outcome, you will get what is the strength of the our company, and what is the weakness of, and opportunities of our company, and what is the failures of the company, what is the risk of the company, and you will get almost every problem, every outcomes, and in which area we are to be strong, or in which area we are going to be strong, or in which area we are very weak, yeah, and in which area we are going to at the risk conditions. And after that audit, you will get a clear idea, and based on that idea, and you have to go for the observations, then you have a clear idea. Yeah. For the audit process, we need legal and stakeholders, standards, organizations one, and process for the requirement for the audit process. Yeah. A life cycle of an audit finding. Okay, that means what is the process? First, you have to finding the identified, and finding the document, and finding classified and issued. అంటే చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాం, దానికి డాక్యుమెంట్ రెడీ చేస్తాం, ఫైండింగ్ క్లాసిఫైడ్ చేస్తాం, తర్వాత డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేస్తాం, డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఫైండ్స్ రూట్ కాజ్ చేస్తాం, తర్వాత డిపార్ట్మెంట్ కరెక్టివ్ యాక్షన్స్, తర్వాత రిస్క్ మేనేజ్మెంట్, తర్వాత సిఏ అగ్రీ, డిపార్ట్మెంట్ అప్లై. లైక్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ finding problem, then you have a cycle process. So this is called life cycle of an audit finding. Yeah. And one more. Yeah. And one more thing, very, very important thing is for the audit process, and we need an auditor. Okay. So let's see if one diagram is there, is the auditor. And for the auditor knows a knowledge about ISS. That means we have already told in the first one, IS 14489, IS Indian standards, like so many. You must know the basic knowledge about the general knowledge about the ISA systems, like rules and regulations regarding auditor. Next, and you to do the you must have a skill on auditing techniques. And third one, and you have a specific knowledge regarding health and safety, legal requirements, and the process. And last one, you must have a personal attributes and a professional qualities, teamwork. ఇవన్నీ ఉంటే then he is suitable for the auditor. యా. పర్సనల్ అట్రిబ్యూట్స్ అంటే మనకు వచ్చిన ఆడిటర్ ఎలా ఉండాలంటే ఎథికల్గా ఉండాలి, ఓపెన్ మైండెడ్ ఉండాలి, అబ్జర్వెంట్ ఉండాలి, టెనాసియస్గా ఉండాలి, డెసివ్గా ఉండాలి. చూడండి, వాట్ ఈజ్ ఎథికల్? ఎథికల్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ వాట్? ఫెయిర్, ట్రూత్ఫుల్, సిన్సియర్, హానెస్ట్ అండ్ డిస్క్రీట్. సో బికాస్ ఎందుకు ఇన్ని క్లియర్గా మనకు చెప్తున్నాడంటే, ఒక ఆడిటర్ వచ్చి కంపెనీలో తనకి ఉండదన్నట్టుగా చెప్తే, ఉండదన్నట్టుగా రిపోర్ట్ ఇవ్వగలిగితే, సో దెన్ వెరీ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్ ఫర్ ద కంపెనీ. బికాస్ మేబీ కొన్ని డబ్బులు తీసుకోవడం వల్ల ఎలాగైనా జరిగితే, దెన్ మేబీ దెర్ ఈస్ ఎ లాట్ ఆఫ్ లాస్ టు ద కంపెనీ. That's why the who are the auditor when comes to the company, he must be ethical and open minded, willing to consider, అంటే ఇది బాగాలేదు, ఇది బాగుంది, యా ఇది ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయండి అని చెప్పగలిగేలాగా ఉండాలి. అండ్ అబ్జర్వెంట్, అంటే మనకి తెలియని కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, మేబీ ఈజ్ ఆడిటర్, ఈ విల్ రోమ్ అరౌండ్ సో మెనీ కంపెనీస్, ఈ విల్ సీ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ companies and number of process and number of equipments, number of machineries. So based on machineries and equipments, you must observe, yeah, so this is not good, and this is well, yeah, you have to do the improvement. Like that, you will give the, while you are roaming in the company and you're walking in the company, while you are is physically you have to see particular equipment, then he is ready to give a decision, ready to give a what is that, one suggestion. So that is the observant. Tenacious, persistent, focused on achieving objectives, and decisive, reaches timely conclusion based on logical reasoning and analysis. But, you have to give the correct decision. So then automatically the whatever the company is there, that will happy. Yeah. There are 5 principles of auditing: ethical conducting, fair presentations, due professional care, independence, and evidence based on approach. So this is the 5 principles of auditing. Okay. This is regarding audit or safety audit process in the company. And you have any doubt in the regarding this one? And you can yesterday's మన చిన్న టాపిక్ ఒకటి పెండింగ్ ఉండిపోయింది. ఎనీవే యూ హ్యావ్ అ టైమ్ around more than 6 minutes. Yeah, just a minute, I will open that one. I will complete it. Yeah, this one yesterday's class. I think I stopped somewhere because of time. Time is over. That's why I stopped somewhere. I think yeah, this one over. This one over. I think this is not completed. I think yesterday టాపిక్ ఐడియా ఉంది కదా, వర్క్ ప్లేస్ ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ హజార్డ్. అంటే మనం ఎక్కడైతే వర్క్ చేస్తున్నామో అక్కడ ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ ఆఫ్ హజార్డస్ అంటే డేంజరస్ థింగ్. ఎక్కడైతే అక్కడ ప్రాసెస్ వల్ల కానీ, ఎక్విప్మెంట్ వల్ల కానీ, మనిషి వల్ల కానీ, లేదంటే ఏదైనా మిస్టేక్ వల్ల కానీ అక్కడ ఒక డేంజరస్ థింగ్ ఏదైనా జరిగే అవకాశం ఉంది అంటే కనుక దాన్ని హజార్డస్ అంటారు. హజార్డస్ అంటే డేంజర్. ఓకే, హెడ్ మనకి టాపిక్ ఏంటి? వర్క్ ప్లేస్ ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ ఆఫ్ హజార్డస్. మనం వర్క్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఆ ప్లేస్లో డేంజరస్గా ఏముందో అది టాపిక్. సో దానికి ఇదంతా సంబంధించిందని నిన్న టైం లేక మన మధ్యలో ఆగిపోయాము. అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ 6 minutes. జస్ట్ ఐ విల్ కంప్లీట్ టుడే. యా. డిజైనింగ్ ద వర్క్ ప్లేస్ అండ్ ప్రాసెస్ ఆల్సో ఎన్ష్యూర్ ప్రొఫెషనల్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ ఆఫ్ మిషన్ అండ్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్. అంటే మనకి వర్క్ వర్క్ ప్లేస్లో చేసేటప్పుడు మనకి అక్కడ జరిగే ప్రాసెస్ మీద కంపల్సరీ ఐడియా ఉండాలి. అక్కడ ప్రొఫెషనల్గా మనం ఏదైతే ఒక మిషన్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసినప్పుడు కానీ ప్రతి ఎక్విప్మెంట్ కనుక మనకి ఒక ఐడియా ఉంటే దాని ఆటోమేటిక్లీ 90% ఆఫ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ విల్ నాట్ కమ్ ఫ్రమ్ దేర్. వితౌట్ idea and without proper knowledge regarding the machine or equipment or process, you are simply working on that without knowledge, and there is a risk is there, and you have to face the whatever the situations coming under from that place. Okay. Yeah, regarding that you have know the knowledge undali, maintenance undali, plant and equipment undali. Okay. Yeah. Administrative control, accident, incidents, reporting procedures, effective safety policy, develop rules, standard and safe systems of work, performance measurement, training and education, good communication. So ఇవన్నీ ఐడియా ఉండాలి. పర్సనల్ ప్రొటెక్షన్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్. సో పర్సనల్ ప్రొటెక్షన్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ అంటే మనకి ఏమొస్తాయి? క్యాప్, హెల్మెట్, like apron, shoes, sometimes full mask, everything. So this is coming under personal protection equipment. So దీనికి సెలెక్షన్ ఎలా చేస్తారు? వేర్ దేర్ ఇస్ నో ఇమీడియట్ వే టు కంట్రోల్ ద హజార్డ్ బై మోర్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ మీన్స్ వెన్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ టెంపరీ మెజర్ వైల్ మోర్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ సొల్యూషన్స్ ఆర్ బీయింగ్ ఇన్స్టాల్డ్. ఇన్ షార్ట్ కమింగ్స్ ఇట్ కెన్ బి ఎలిమినేటెడ్, రెడ్యూస్ ద హజార్డస్. ఇవన్నీ ఇందులోకి వస్తాయి. ఆ ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రివెన్షన్. ఇది అయిపోయినట్టుంది నేను కదా. Okay, next we have only 4 minutes we have time. Again, దీనికి కూడా టైం సరిపోయేలా లేదు. ఐ థింక్ ఇక్కడితో అయిపోతాయి, స్లైడ్స్ కూడా ఎక్కువ ఉండవు. ఓకే. ఓకే, ఎనీవే విల్ డిస్కస్ దిస్ వన్ బై మండే. Yeah, tell me anyone, any doubt regarding this one, I will clarify. And I don't know, day by day, number of students are increasing. Today, I think 11 members joined. Thank you so much. I don't know who is listening or who is not listening, but anyway, day by day, first day, I think 3 4 members, and yesterday only 6 members, and today 11 members. Okay, yeah. Tell me anyone, you can give a message in chat box. Okay.